Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, a factor 5 raised to power x, and we have 5 raised to power x into brackets, 1 plus 1 left here, then equals to 60 on this side. At this here, this becomes 5 raised to power x times 1 plus 1, that's 2, equals to 60 from here. Next step here, divide both side by 2. That is, divide this side by 2. Also divide this side by 2. Here 2 cancel each other. And we have 5 raised to power x equals to 60 over 2. The next step here is same thing as 5 raised to power x equals to 2 times 30 over 2 here. Here 2 cancelled each other. And this becomes 5 raised to power x equals to 30 from here. The next step, we take the log on both sides. This here we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 30 on this side. The next step here, we apply the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. And this here, this becomes x log 5 equals to log 30 from here. The next step, divide both sides by log 5. And this divide this side by log 5. Also divide this side by log 5. So this here, log 5 cancelled each other. This becomes x equals to log 30 over log 5. Then, next step here, we can express 30 as 5 times 6. And what we have becomes x equals to log 5 times 6 over log 5. Then this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, it's same thing as log a plus log b. This here, what we have becomes x equals to log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 6 over log 5. This here, log 5 cancelled each other here, one left here, which implies x equals to 1 plus log 6 over log 5. The next step here, 6 can be written as 3 times 2. And all we have here becomes x equals to 1 plus log 3 times 2 over log 5. This also follows the law of logarithm and becomes x equals to 1 plus log 3 plus log 2 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions and we have x equals to 1 plus log 3 over log 5 plus log 2 over log 5. Then here we apply change of base. When we have log a over log b, this is the same thing as log a to base b. That is, here we have x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. That is the value of x here. We have 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5. Then what we have here becomes 5 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 plus also 5 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 is it equals to 60 on this side. That is, yeah, this follows when we add same thing together. A plus A can write it as 2 times A. This is what we have here becomes 2 times 5 raised to power 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 is it equals to 60 on this side. And this follows the law of indices when we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 2 times 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 2 base 5 is it equals to 60 on this side. This here you have 2 times 5 raised to power 1, that's 5. Then times this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. This here we have 3 times 2 is it equals to 60 on this side. Here 2 times 5 10 times 3 times 2 6 is it equals to 60 on this side, and 10 times 6 are 60, which is equals to 60 from here. Then we have left hand side is equals to the right hand side, and therefore we conclude that x equals to 1 plus log 3 base 5 plus log 2 base 5 satisfy this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comments. See you next class and bye for now.